Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp corn chowder. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, 2 cups of corn kernels, and a mix of diced onions, celery, and potatoes. A good quality chicken or vegetable stock forms the base, so have 4 cups ready. Don't forget heavy cream, butter, and your favorite seasonings to bring out all the delicious flavors. This dish is surprisingly simple to create. Now, let's build the flavor foundation for our chowder. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onions and celery, cooking them until they are tender and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, stirring constantly for 1 minute to create a light roux. Gradually whisk in 4 cups of your chosen stock, until the mixture is smooth and slightly thickened. With our flavorful base ready, it's time to add the stars of the show. Add your diced potatoes to the pot and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they are fork tender. Once the potatoes are cooked, gently stir in the 1 pound of shrimp and 2 cups of corn kernels. Cook for just 3 to 5 minutes until the shrimp turn pink and opaque. Finally, remove from heat. Stir in 1 cup of heavy cream, and garnish with fresh parsley or chives for a vibrant finish. Your delicious shrimp corn chowder is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and serve immediately, perhaps with some warm, crusty bread or a few crackers on the side. For an extra touch, you can garnish each serving with a sprinkle of fresh dill or a dash of smoked paprika. This hearty and comforting meal is perfect for any occasion. And hey, while you're enjoying your meal, why not let a robot handle the cleanup? Check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.